we are going to have fun with airplanes. We are going to sing a song that I translated with my family, and we made a song out of another song that is in Spanish, and it is called There Once Was a Little Airplane. And also, we're going to count to 10 with airplanes. So I can't wait anymore. Let's go. There once was a little airplane that always wanted to go fly. There once was a little airplane that always wanted to go fly. And he went down and went up and went down and went up and flew all the way to the sky. And he flew up and went down and went up and went down and flew all the way up to sky. There once was a little airplane that always wanted to go fly. There once was a little airplane that always wanted to go fly. And he went down and went up and went down and went up and flew all the way up to sky. And he went down and went up and went down and went up and flew all the way to the sky. Time to count. Now we're going to count numbers from 1 to 10. We're going to count the airplanes. Right? That song was so fun. But now we are going to have even more fun, I hope, with the numbers. We're going to count the airplanes. Can you help me count? Yes? Awesome. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,